Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Minecraft launcher not working and Minecraft launcher update error. Let's fix it guys. First solution is to delete the launcher profile inside Minecraft guys. So this file is a cache file that contains our profile information. Deleting this file will not cause any harm as Minecraft will automatically recreate it when we launch game guys. So for deleting this file, right click on the start icon, select run. In run window you just need to type app data, click on OK, double click on the roaming folder, double click on the Minecraft and delete the launcher profiles. Right click on it, select delete. After deleting it, close out of here. First step has been completed now guys. Now the second step is to repair Minecraft. After repairing Minecraft, hopefully your problem resolved guys. For do that, go to search menu and type installed apps, click on open, search for Minecraft over here, Minecraft, click on it, three dot icon, select the advanced option, scroll down guys, select the repair option. After getting repair done, now you just need to go to search menu and type Minecraft. After repairing it, click run as administrator and run the Minecraft launcher and check problem has been resolved or not. If you still having a problem, let's move on to the second solution guys. For that second solution is to uninstall Minecraft and reinstall it guys. Again I need to say it, do it properly guys, can resolve the problem. For that, go to search menu and type install app, click on open, search here Minecraft, click on the three dot icon, select advanced options. Before proceeding you need to delete files that saved in Minecraft guys. For that you just need to select the advanced option over there, select reset option over here, scroll down and reset it. Under the reset option, here is uninstall this app and its settings. Your document will be not be affected. Click on uninstall guys. Now we are uninstalled Minecraft guys. So after uninstalling Minecraft, close out of here, go to search menu and open store, Microsoft Store or Xbox, open it, search here Minecraft guys and select the launcher, Minecraft launcher, and you just want to install it guys. Click on install. After downloading gets done, hopefully your problem has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.